Good morning, everyone. My name is Shoshana Gross, and I'm the Director of Events and Programming with the Ohio Restaurant Association. Today, my guest is Patty Halper. Good morning, Patty.
Morning, Shoshana.
Patty, of course, is the Executive Director of the Ohio Restaurant Association Education Foundation and ProStart program. Patty also does a lot of work generally on workforce development across the state, and she has some news for us.
You know how I always like to share exciting news. Well, this is really great. We have a press release going out today that the Ohio Restaurant Association and its Education Foundation was recently awarded a H.O.P.E grant. And you might be thinking, what's H.O.P.E stand for? And it's Hospitality Opportunities for People Reentering Society. And we're very excited that the National Restaurant Association Education Foundation chose the state of Ohio, along with Michigan, Texas, and Delaware, to be a part of this grant opportunity for justice-involved employment opportunities. So we will take justice-involved participants once they are have so much time left in their sentencing and they're ready to reenter society. We will be pairing up with ORA members for employment opportunities. We will also supply other services that they need, such as transportation, childcare, among others. And this grant's going to allow us the opportunity to really transform lives. It is here in Columbus, Ohio. I do have to mention that. And we will be working with the Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Correction, as well as Alvis. So we're very excited about this.
This sounds great. How do restaurants get involved? Do we already have all of the restaurants picked out, or can people reach out if they're interested in working with H.O.P.E grant for awardees?
That's a great question, Shoshana. We have a few members that have already reached out to us because they have been involved with this type of employment with Justice Restored Citizens. But if anybody in the Central Ohio area is interested and you're a restaurant operator, please get in touch with me via email, phone, website. All of that information's available. We will need employers to help with this. Employment is the #1 reason, if Justice Restored Citizens have this, that they do not return to the correctional facility. This job is so important to them for very many reasons. It gives them financial independence, but it's very important for their mental outlook as well. So I'm hoping there's some companies out there that will get in contact with me.
Absolutely. This is a great way to get employees who are going to be loyal, who want to work hard for you, who have a lot of incentive to come to work every day and to learn from whatever, their new job is.
So they're really looking for a career, Shoshana.
Yeah.
That's the thing that a lot of people think, that they're willing to start entry level. That's not an issue with them, but they would like to see a pathway so that they can work up and advance. And so that's very important for our members. They will need some training. Some of them have had training inside the correctional facility, but they might need some additional training. And we will have some programs that will help with that as well. But they just want to be given a chance, a fair chance.
Absolutely. So this is just such exciting news. We're really happy to be able to, to be supporting restaurants and also Justice Restored Citizens to get on a path to financial independence and to really be able to, make their mark in a new career.
And this is not a short-term project. This is a 2-year project that we will be undertaking with them. And the National Restaurant Association will be tracking the results because we want to make it a success in Ohio. This is our National Restaurant Association's Education Foundation's 2nd grant award for this. So we're hoping that it goes well and will be part of the 3rd grant award, possibly in the near future.
Excellent. Well, fingers crossed for that and for the success of this first program. And thank you so much for taking some time to talk to me today. We'll make sure that we put your contact information in the notes today, so anybody who's interested in getting in touch with you has your your information.
Thank you so much, Shoshana, for having me.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.